In this video, you're going to learn how to install and run the TRoo Transport React theme on your local system. If you've just downloaded the theme, simply follow these steps and you'll have it up and running in just a few minutes. First, go to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved the TRoo Transport React theme zip file. Locate the zip file, right-click on it and extract or unzip it. Once the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder named TRoo Transport React Theme. Inside this folder, you'll find two subfolders, Documentation and TRoo Transport React Theme. Open the Documentation folder. When you unzip the file inside it, you'll find all the assets of your React theme, including the index.html file, robots.txt, icons, and other supporting files. Within the Assets folder, you'll find all the visual assets, style sheets, images, and JavaScript files used in the TRoo Transport React theme. Now go back and open the TRoo Transport React theme folder. Inside, you'll find important project folders and files including public, src, package.json, and other configuration files required for the React application. Next, open the project in Visual Studio Code. To do this, right-click on the TRoo Transport React theme folder, select Open With, and choose Visual Studio Code. This will open the project directly in Visual Studio Code. Once the theme is open, go to the Terminal tab inside VS Code. Verify that your current directory is the TRoo Transport React theme folder. Now run the following command, npmi. This command will download and install all the dependencies listed in the package.json file. Depending on your internet connection, this process may take a few moments. After the installation is completed successfully, run the next command, npm run dev. This command starts the React application in development mode. Once the server starts, you'll see a localhost URL displayed in the terminal window. Click on the localhost address or copy and paste it into your browser. When the page loads, you'll see your TRoo Transport React theme running successfully on your local system. Your theme is now installed and ready for customization and development.